Hello kids, how are you all? So I am your social studies teacher Diyal Kaur, and today I am here to present you something very beautiful, something that you really love so much, something that is very important for all of us. So are you ready? Okay, so here we are going to learn about the first chapter of social studies for 3rd standard. The first chapter of 3rd standard in the subject social studies is Up in the Sky. So what are the things, before I explain you exactly what the chapter has got, what are you going to study in this chapter, you will have to tell me what are the things that you see during the day, in the sky, during the day and during the night. So I am going to make 2 columns here. I will draw a line. Right. So here is sky during the day. Sky during the day, and here is sky during night. So you will have to tell me what are the things that you see in the sky during the day. First thing, that is the sun. Ellaru Suryan kaantiralva? Very good. Then we see clouds. Then what do we see? Sun, clouds. Then I think it is okay. So what are the things that you see during the night? First thing I see is stars. Then I see moon. Then I see clouds again. So all these things can be seen in the sky during the day and night. But there are lot of things in the sky that you cannot see in the as you see the sun and the stars. So there are lot of things that you cannot see with your naked eyes. Bare kannalli nodlik agalla makle. Idanelladanu all these things you can see, right? So now only you can step out and see that there is a sun in the sky and you can see clouds. And when you step out in the night, you can see stars, you can see the moon, you can see the clouds again. So these are the things that we can see with our naked eyes. Alright. So moving on further, do you all remember a rhyme that you learned in the nursery class, that a famous rhyme? Do you all remember? Okay, sing along with me. Ready? Okay, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Have you all, do you all remember this rhyme? Have you all sang this rhyme in your nursery class? Right. So this song is all about, this rhyme is all about, what do you see up in the sky? Which twinkles, which shines like a diamond. That is nothing but the stars. What is that? The thing that shines like a diamond are stars. Right. So today we are going to learn more about what are the things that we can see in the up in the sky. So first thing, this is sun, moon and stars. What are the things that are present in up in the sky? Sun, moon and stars. I am going to write sun, then there are stars, then moon. All these things together are called as heavenly bodies. What are these called as, children? Heavenly bodies. Ivugalana heavenly bodies anta karitare. Yak karitare gotta nimage? These are called as heavenly bodies because the objects in the space which are present are called as heavenly bodies. Space nalli irtakanta yaude object agli makkale adakke ನಾವು heavenly bodies anta kariteve. These can also include one more thing, that is planets are called as heavenly bodies. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ? heavenly bodies. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? what are heavenly bodies? the objects in the space are called as heavenly bodies. Next thing, let us learn more about up in the sky. So what are the things that you can see up in the sky? You all learned it. So what are the sun, moon and stars called as? These are called as heavenly bodies. Moving on further, if you see, there are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets, children? 8 planets in the solar system. Alright, the first one is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Mars, fourth is Jupiter, fifth is Saturn, sixth Uranus, seventh Neptune. Alright, so in total there are 8 planets in the solar system. These planets rotate around the sun. Ivella planets ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? These planets rotate around the sun. So when these planets rotate around the sun is called as the father of all the planets. Sun ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Father of solar system. The sun is called as the father of solar system. Understood? Understood? There are 8 planets. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Understood? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets in the solar system. And Sun enidiyalla Surya, this is called as the father of solar system. Understood? Sun is called as the father of solar system. So let us learn more about Sun. Sun ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. All right. So let us learn more about the Sun. So what is Sun? Sun is a very big star. Sun ಏನಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Sun is a very big star. It is billions of kilometers away from the earth. ಇದು earth ಇಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? earth ಇಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, the sun is very far away from the earth. So sun is the major source of heat and light. Sun ಏನಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? It is major source of heat and light. So ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲೋ? So we get heat and light from the sun. It is the major source of heat and light. Not just heat and light, it is also a major source of energy and also energy. Right? Sun is the major source of heat and light and also the energy. Energy ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? How do you call it as the major source of energy? ಇವಾಗ for example, when I step out, if it is darkness, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಕತ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಹೌದಾ? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಯು ಆಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ ಈವನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೌ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ heat, in the form of light, in the form of air, alva. So this is the major source of sun, is the major source of heat, light and energy. So that's all for today. We'll study about the chapter more about the sun in the next class. Till then, revise, keep reading, open your textbooks. I think all have got the textbooks now. Open your textbooks and start to read and understand, and see you all in the next class. Bye bye.